Hi, boys and girls. So you're going to be working on candy corn today, and I'm just going to read through the text with you so that in case you're having trouble with any of the words that you can come and listen to me read it. So here we go. So candy corn. Although candy corn is loaded with sugar, it is fat-free. Around 9 billion pieces of candy corn are made each year. Every year, people buy and eat candy corn around Halloween. Candy corn is a type of candy made from corn syrup. It has a marshmallow taste. It is shaped like dried kernels of corn, and while it is usually white, yellow, and orange, it can include other colors like brown. Today, candy corn is made by machines. Corn syrup, sugar, and water are the main ingredients. Marshmallow and a little icing or frosting are added. Different color syrups add the color. The mixture is then cooled and it hardens for about 24 hours. So boys and girls, what you're going to do, you can highlight, you can underline if you need to, but you're going to flip this over and you're going to answer the questions on the back. So I'm going to start right here. According to the text, which of the following tells how candy corn is made? A, candy corn is popular at Halloween. B, corn syrup, sugar, and water are added to a machine. Or C, candy corn looks like corn. Going to the top now. The author says that candy corn is loaded with sugar. However, what does it not have? Pause this video if you need to take a minute to go look. Going to the next one, and then I'll go across. Around how many pieces of candy corn are made each year? Go back to the text. According to the text, what does candy corn taste like? And the final question on the bottom, according to the text, which of the following is true? Candy corn is good for you. Candy corn can come in different colors. Most candy corn today is made by machines. When you're finished, please make sure that your name is on this side and that you turn it into the in bin. Have a great day, boys and girls.